everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another Sentro knitting machine video. This is not a tutorial, let me preface this video with that. Today I will be testing out this Lily Sugar and Cream on my machine. I'll be using the minty color. This is a new skein of it. So I'll be using the mint color, which is some leftover from a crochet project that I was working on. I figured it would be a good yarn to test out considering summer is upon us. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the video. Today I'm here with my Sentro 32 needle knitting machine. And I'll leave the link for that pinned in the top comment down below if you're interested in checking it out. I am in tube knitting mode. I don't feel like messing with panels today. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and thread my machine as I would normally. Nice and loose, because this is I do believe 4-weight yarn. I should have told you guys about this yarn first, but I'll tell you guys about it afterwards, so stick around to the end. Just alternating these pins. If you are looking for actual Sentro knitting machine tutorials, there's a very popular playlist back on my channel if you want to check that out. And go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future Sentro knitting machine videos and tutorials. Alright, I'm going to pop this into the threader. Zoom out just a little bit for y'all. Excuse my messy table. And I'm going to put this in the loosest tension hole because I'm not too sure about this yarn. Alright, and so I'm going to just slowly start cranking. Don't want to anger my machine. But I already hear this popping sound, so I'm just kind of side-eyeing this machine right now. Ooh, I already see a drop stitch. That is not great. Oh my god, what is it doing? There's a catch. Maybe. Ooh, yeah, this is not this is not ideal. Oh my gosh. So already I got 2 drop stitches. I just saw a tuck stitch go down in there somewhere, and there is lots of catching. This yarn is not very smooth, so it does not slide up and down the pegs as I would like it to. This might be one of the big flops for this machine. There goes another tuck stitch. And yeah. Now I wrap this yarn very loosely. I don't have it tensioned very tightly, and it is not cooperating. There goes another tuck stitch. There's another tuck stitch. Oh my god. I'm gonna stop before I hurt this machine. Okay, wait, I might be cooking with grease. No, I'm not. Never mind. I just dropped 2 stitches, I think. I took the yarn out of the tension guide because I was like, okay, maybe it doesn't want any tension at all, but I'm still tucking stitches. I am still dropping stitches. I am all over the place with this, but it is flowing better without the tension guide. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a very horrible swatch. I am so sorry. Alright, I quit. I'm going to get this off this machine, hopefully in one piece, and I'll meet you guys back and talk about this yarn. Okay. Finally. Oh my god, that is so horrible. Alright, so as I stated at the beginning of this tutorial, I was using this as a crochet yarn, and usually I do. But I got the wild idea to test this out on my machine, and that machine chewed this up and spat it out. It did not like that whatsoever. From the gate, I had drop stitches. I got tuck stitches all over the place, and I didn't even get through 10 rows before my pins started sticking, and I just didn't want to start grinding up my gears on the machine. So this is a big bust, okay? I will talk about the yarn a little bit. It is Lily Sugar and Cream. It's pretty typical cotton yarn. You can find it in most big box craft stores. It is considered a 4-weight medium yarn. This is the color teal. You know, they recommend a 5mm crochet hook or 4.5mm knitting needles with this yarn. Some people don't like the texture of this yarn even for crocheting or knitting and would use some other 100% cotton yarn, and that's fine too. No, it does not work with the Sentro knitting machine. That was a big fail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you took it as a great learning experience as I did. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future Sentro knitting machine videos from me. I also do tutorials for projects and such and troubleshooting on this channel. So again, if you don't want to miss out on that, consider subscribing today. You can also support this channel by by following my Instagram account, which is always linked in the description box below. And today I'm actually doing a product release. I do pottery on the side, you know, behind the scenes. And so today I am doing a shop update with all of my yarn bowls and knitting needle, crochet hook, cup, vases. I don't have a solid name for these yet, oh my gosh, but nonetheless, today is the day for that. So if you want to support this channel and continue seeing these videos in the future, head over and consider shopping with me today. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching and happy making.